I've showed how I collect coral bell seeds already, and the video that I recorded sometime in the fall, and the seeds that I got were the seeds that I planted and germinated and showed video of that. These have been sitting on the plant all winter long, and everything has finally melted and thawed out. It's mid-February. Spring will be here fairly soon. So this experiment is about how many seeds are going to be left on these plants, and of the seeds that I do have, are any of them viable? I was thinking about the way that the plant just naturally behaves. It makes flowers, they produce seeds, winter comes, everything gets wet and mushy and wilty and falls over, and new plants come up. And that happens in the spring, right? I took my flowers in the fall, and they germinated, but I wonder maybe if they would do better if they had actually gone through a cold phase. Maybe. There are videos on YouTube showing how to plant coral bells from seeds, and they say that you put your seeds in the refrigerator for a couple of months first. Maybe that depends on the variety. It's possible. Now I can tell already I'm getting way fewer seeds out of this. I got a ton of seeds out of the one I collected in the fall, but I'm not seeing many seeds yet out of this. I mean, so far, just as far as the amount of seeds I get, I gotta say the autumn collection is definitely superior. Here's what I ended up with. This is, by the way, this is every stalk that I had left on my plants. And it's looking a little disappointing, to be honest, because I'm looking through here, kind of panning for gold here, but I'm not even seeing any seeds. There's some black specks, but those aren't seeds. Those are just specks. Yeah, I'm not seeing a single seed in here. There's some little black specks, and that's about it. Maybe if I really grind these up, a couple of seeds might fall out. Alright, well, so I wanted to see if they would have seeds still in them, and it looks like they don't. And so that pretty much ends the experiment right there. What I'll have to do next time is I will have to do all of my seed collecting in the fall, take half of them and put them in the fridge, and then when those are done, I will have to do 2 batches of seeds and see if one germinates better than the other. That sounds like a scientific type experiment. So anyway, for now, I would say this concludes the experiment.